Welcome back, everybody. We're going to continue with our paper cut effect tutorial, and today you're going to work on your final presentation. When you open up the template that you originally downloaded from Compass, you would have completed these in paper cut effect investigation tasks, and now you're ready to work on the first artboard, which is your final presentation. Just make sure you are actually on the background layer. That's really important, or what you do won't actually show up. So when you're in the background layer, what we're going to do is actually click on that navy blue rectangle that's making up the background, and we're going to go Control C, Control F. Control F is paste in front. And then we're going to follow the same process that we did with these little practice squares over here and use the pencil to draw a small organic shape in the center. We're going to start with the center shape, which is the smallest one, and work our way out. I'm then going to use the black arrow, and I'm going to hold down Shift on my keyboard and select the rectangle. And then I'm going to go over to Pathfinder. If you can't find it, it's Window to find Pathfinder, and click on minus front. And then Effect, Apply Drop Shadow. Now, I want to make this second layer, so the navy layer at the background, I'm going to keep it the same. The second layer, I'm going to make it slightly lighter. So I'm going to click on this square over here and just go up and make it slightly lighter. Now I'm going to follow the same process for the next few layers and just go slightly around the outside of the first shape. Hold down Shift, select that and the next layer, minus front. Now you'll notice that it's already given me the drop shadow effect, so that's excellent. I just need to change the color slightly. I'm going to go again, so I'm going to copy that layer, Control C, Control F. I am going to draw a shape. That one's a bit crazy, so I'm going to go again. Black arrow, hold down Shift, select both, minus front, double click, make it slightly lighter. I'm going to do that once more, but you can do as many different layers as you like. You can also change the colours to whatever colours suit your idea. So I want you to be really creative with your theme and think of as many different... Oh, I stuffed that up because you know what I didn't do? I didn't copy that. And click that open, make it slightly lighter. So traditionally, the furthest away layer, the one that appears to be furthest away, is actually the darkest. If you have a look at the examples over here. Okay, so we've got a dark background there, but you can actually play around with that if you like. This one I think is just known to be more effective. Once you've done that, we're going to go over to our vectorized images that we did over here earlier. Now I'm going to put this mountain layer in behind some of these layers. But what I need to do is actually copy it onto the background layer. So at the moment it's up here on a layer called layers, and we need to copy and paste it onto this background layer. So I'm going to do Control C, make sure I'm on the layers thing, and then I'm going to go to background, Control V, scale it up and drag it over here. Then I'm going to select this foreground layer and I'm going to go Object, Arrange, Bring to Front. You can see it's come into the front there. I might actually bring both of those into the front. The more creative you are with your layers, the more effective your final presentation will be. I'm going to add this sun, Control C, Control V. Now I'm going to grab the mountain bike rider, Control C, go back to the background layer, Control V, and put him in here. I might actually leave him over the top of that layer. I'm going to make him white, and maybe I might make the mountain white as well. As you can see, I'm pretty happy with that. I could go and add a lot more if I wanted to. So it just depends on how much time that you have. Once you're finished, I want you to please print this to A3. So just make sure when you go in there that you're on sand printer. You change the media size to A3. And we are then going to print it out and go and collect it from the printer. We're also going to go File, Save As, save on your computer. You're going to save it into a CAD folder in OneDrive. From there, you can upload it to the class task, Paper Cut Effect. Once you've finished, of course. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this task. Thank you.